Most people spend hours online, but a few are using AI to make $100 a day. Here are the 3 easiest AI side hustles anyone can start today. 1. AI content rewriting. People are charging $10–30 to rewrite blog posts, captions, or product descriptions. With AI tools, the work takes less than 5 minutes. Volume saves money. 2. AI short-form video creation. Businesses need TikTok Reels Shorts non-stop. You can generate scripts plus voiceover plus editing using AI tools in minutes. Creators are earning $300–600 month per client. 3. AI research and summaries. Companies pay for fast, accurate research. AI tools make it simple. Summarize PDFs, extract insights, create reports. People charge $50–150 per project. You don't need followers, experience, or money to start. You only need the right AI tools and the willingness to take the first step. More AI videos coming soon. Subscribe for smarter ways to grow your income.